Mallow. Welcome to Wild Food Hunt here in the backyard. We're looking at mallow. Mallow is everywhere, absolutely widespread all over Australia. You get a lot of the short ones, the crawling ones, and the tall ones, even some native ones. You can eat them all. Great way to recognize this plant. You need to look at the leaves and the flowers. Show you. Here's the leaf over here, and the leaf looks like the palm of your hands. Look at that, with the spread out fingers. See? You see what I mean? It looks like a palm of your hands, but with 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will get you to remember it. Another great way to remember mallow, if you look closely at the point where the stalk meet the leaves, you will notice that it's kind of darker in color, kind of a brown purple. Remember that? So this is mallow. You can eat the leaves, you can eat the seeds, you can eat the flowers, you can eat the roots. We used to make marshmallows with the roots of mallow. So what you want to do with this is let it grow. You don't need to do anything. It grows in your yard already. What you want to do is just pick the leaves, chop them up, use them in salad, use them in pies, amazing in little veggie rolls. You should try this one. Soups with mallows, perfect. Medicine-wise, this is used a lot to calm down your organs. Mallow is mellow. A tea with the leaves settle down all of the upset, grumpiness that you have inside. So mallow is in your yard, it's food, it's medicine, it's available. Eat up your yard.